I'm going to make chow fang, that is fried rice. This recipe I've taken from my Singapore cookbook. Let's see how to make it. Most of the time, chow fang is made from leftover rice, chicken, and vegetables. However, I'm using all freshly cooked rice and cooked chicken, vegetables. For this, I need the following: carrots, green peas, cooked, beans, chopped onions, and I've taken a little bit of capsicum. We also need sauces like green chili sauce or red chili sauce if you prefer your fried rice to be red in color, a little bit of soy sauce, and oil to saute. I'm going to use MSG for flavor. Now let's see how to make chow fang. So to make chow fang, I add all the vegetables. I don't need them to fully cook. So I'm going to add carrots. In case you have cabbage, you can use it. And after these vegetables actually cook, you can turn it into a soup. You don't have to drain and pour out the water. And there goes the beans. I'm adding the chicken. We do need 2 eggs as well. Chicken. I've added ginger and garlic paste. And in case you have celery, you can add celery and wait for this to turn soft. So as the onion is getting ready, we'll get our eggs also ready. I'm taking 2 eggs, and to this I'm adding a little bit of soy sauce, I'm going to beat it up nicely. To this you can also add a pinch of salt. I'm not adding pepper here. So just a pinch of salt. Onions have also become soft. We'll add a bit of salt to this. Adding the vegetables, the carrot, the green peas. I don't have cabbage, so I've not included cabbage. A bit of chicken. So if you have roasted or pre-cooked chicken, you can add that. Not an issue. Give it a nice stir. Now chow fan, as I mentioned, is made out of leftovers. But however, I don't have leftovers here. So once this is sauteed well, I'm adding the capsicum. So I have capsicum. I'm adding the capsicum as well. And as we know, Chinese food needs white pepper. I've added a little bit of white pepper. Now I'm adding a little more of soy sauce. So once this is thoroughly mixed, I'm going to push the vegetables aside, pour the egg mixture and scramble it. Now that the eggs are cooked, I can add it with the mixture. So now we can add the rice. Okay. So you can add the rice slowly and mix it up. Remember, reduce the flame as you mix the rice. Okay. Now give a fine stir to the rice. You can see, make sure it's mixed evenly and fried. Once your fried rice is ready, It can be served with any side dish of your choice. It can be dry or it can be a semi gravy.